Shenzhen RHF Zipper Company Limited is located in Longgang District, Shenzhen City. We are professional in producing garment and bag accessories over 15 years, including zipper, sliders, buttons, buckles, webbing, hardware, etc. One-stop service is available here since we support characteristic design and are committed to help our customers to improve better brand image. We have helped many customers completing their projects on new design garments, bags, and outdoor equipment, helping them to expand business. Our factory is equipped with some automatic machines. Under mass production a day, the monthly output reaches 120 tons, so delivery time is guaranteed. Most importantly, the raw material we use is eco-friendly and recycled. The accessories can pass RHF CA Prop 65 magnetic test. In addition, our targeted countries are mainly from Asia, Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, Australia, etc., and have covered 30 countries around the world. Customers who are making garments, bags, outdoor equipment and home textiles show recognition to us and build long-term relationships with us. We are not only a supplier, but a good listener. We'd like to listen to customers' voice and trying best to meet their needs. Our aim is to provide customers with better and professional solutions. We are on the road always because we deeply believe that only by making progress with all of our customers can we move forward further. Trust us. You deserve an excellent supplier like us. Welcome to contact us at any time.